Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I am Miss Nene, and today I am going to do coasters. I'm going to do 2 sets of coasters today. I haven't done any in a while, so I thought, I love doing my coasters, so I'm just going to go ahead and start making more of them and adding them to my inventory. So I'm also doing voiceover, as you can see. I recorded it normally, but we had some construction people out front drilling a hole from the water department, and it just screwed up my whole video. So I just had to just do a voiceover to save this video. So you can see I'm showing you the paints. These are the colors for the first set of coasters, and I will be showing you the second set of colors I'm going to be using for the second set of coasters. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me, that would be fantastic. And hit the notification bell too, so you know when I'm uploading new videos. But I will be back at the end with the wet results as well as the dry results. So enjoy. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, here we are. Close up of the wet coasters sitting here drying. I love the way this pink looks. Pink is so pretty. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but I can see it and it's really pretty. And I do know that the resin will bring that out even more. I love that. And this set, the metallic paints, the colors look really nice together. I'm really happy I chose these colors. And again, the resin is going to just make these colors just pop even more. Resin is amazing. Yeah, I really enjoy it, using it on my coasters. All right, guys, here's the dry results. Look at how that metallic just pops, how it just peeks in between the blue. Like the metallic is like showing through the cracks of the blue. I love this. This is perfect. Everything turned out perfect. Everything turned out better than I had expected. Look at that. I mean, there's no cracks in it. It's just that it's like the little veins of the paint that came through, the metallic paint, which, look at that. See what I mean? Oh, wow. That's so amazing. I can't wait to coat these with resin. Beautiful. Yeah. I'm really happy how these turned out. I have another set of coasters I'm going to be doing really soon. So I hope you join me for that. Well, guys, you know what? I really appreciate you joining me today. Thank you so much. I'd love to read your thoughts about how these coasters turned out in the comments below. And I hope that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing more videos. Yeah, I am really happy with these sets. Well, guys, thank you for joining me again, and I appreciate your time. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Stay safe out there, too. Bye-bye.